Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I can understand English, ma'am, and I can speak also the English.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to come back to Malaysia.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure you don't have?
Yes.
Okay, so are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am. This is for the third time.
Yeah, okay. So can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Good day, ma'am. My name is Rosemary Bonbon. I'm 34 years old. My educational background is high school graduate. I have work experience in Malaysia. I worked there 2 years. I have two children, both they're 15 and 18 years old.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you first, Rose, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
March 31, ma'am, 1991.
Are you single or married?
Single parents, ma'am.
You have boyfriend?
Yes.
Okay, your boyfriend, do you stay in together or live in together or what?
Live in, ma'am.
So you have a live-in partner. Is this the father of your children?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So what is your height and your weight?
Height. My height is 52. My weight is 59.
What is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational? Okay, you are a high school graduate. You mentioned you got two kids, which is
Yes.
18 and 15 years old. So who will going to look after them later?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to look after them
My,
later?
my children.
Yeah.
My mother, ma'am.
How old
And
is your mother and what is her occupation?
my mother is 71 years old, and she's a household only, ma'am. She take care by kids.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have three brothers and two sisters.
What is your rank in your family?
Ranking.
Yeah, are you the eldest, the second, the third?
I'm fifth, ma'am.
Okay, so is your family allowed you to come into work here in Malaysia again?
Yes, ma'am, 100%.
What about your live-in partner? Do we have a problem later with him?
No, ma'am,
So he
100%.
allowed you.
Yes, ma'am, 100% she allowed
Okay.
me.
So you mentioned that this will be your third time round working abroad, right?
Ma'am.
In which country you have your first work as a domestic helper?
First, ma'am, I work in Hong Kong, and second time I work in Malaysia, and the
Okay.
third time I work here. I come back to again to Malaysia.
Okay. How many years you work in Hong Kong?
1 year, ma'am.
What year did you started and what year did you finish?
I'm start in Hong Kong. I'm just young, 23 years old, and I've been
What year did you started working in Hong Kong?
sorry, 2016 to 2017.
You didn't finish your contract, is it?
Yes, ma'am. I
You
break home.
so you terminate your contract.
Yes,
What happened?
because I need to come back in Philippines. I need to settle to my ex-husband to who's custody my children to
Okay,
take
so what is your job responsibilities, your previous employment in Hong Kong?
my responsibility to take care of children, the three children, and do the household and also preach the children's school, and also I do the house marketing and cooking.
You do the laundry and ironing also?
Yes, ma'am.
How old are those children that you take care?
For, the elders is 12, 10 years old, and 3 years old.
Okay, so after that you work in Malaysia. You finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am. I worked in Malaysia 2 years and 2 months.
Okay, so what year did you started and what year did you finish working here?
I started in Malaysia, ma'am, 2018 to 2020, and also I take care the three children It's 6 years old, 8 months, and 3 years old. And also I do the household and also the ironing, cooking, and laundry.
Okay,
But
so you take your children 3 years old, and 6 months.
8 months, ma'am.
8 months. Okay, so is it Chinese family or Indian family?
Chinese family, ma'am. Both
Do,
Chinese family.
do you know which place you were designated before?
Silangor, ma'am.
Selangor. So what happened? Why you didn't continue working with this employer?
Because the pandemic, ma'am, I need to go home.
So
So,
after 2020 and until recently, you are a full-time mother.
yes, ma'am.
So you didn't have any chance to find job in the Philippines.
I work in as a cashier, ma'am, here in Philippines in the national airport.
How many years?
3 years, ma'am.
What year did you started and what year did you finish?
Uh, Now, ma'am, I'm working now for the cashier, but
Oh.
I already signed the resignation letter.
Also, what year did you started as a cashier there?
2022 and now.
And until recently, okay. September is it?
October, ma'am. October 22.
Oh, so you will just end your contract, like you passed already your resignation.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so being an OFW is not new for you, knowing that you already got working experience. But I would like to let you know that once you terminate your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, okay? You need to
Yes,
pay your employer, you need to compensate because nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, yeah?
yes, ma'am.
You need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. You've been here in Malaysia and you already know what are the preferences of those employers, okay? So are you
Yes,
ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
Okay, so we don't want later that you will going to compare your previous employer to your recently employer. Every employer's got different rules and regulations, yeah? So don't compare it later,
I
okay?
Yes,
So are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
No, ma'am, because I'm not experienced to take care of that.
It's okay. Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook Chinese foods?
Yes, ma'am. But
What
Indian I cannot cook.
what variety of cuisine you can prepare?
Like a steamed fish,
Okay.
steamed egg. All the Chinese, ma'am, like
Okay.
steam.
So can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am, sorry.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you've been stuck in the Philippines for almost 5 years and now you are willing to come and work here again in Malaysia. So do you think homesickness will not strike you?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure, ma'am.
How will you gonna handle it later?
I handle the homesick. I need, I do the too busy to myself to work, and also I must thinking to, I must, I must prepare to work here because need to my children to handle that.
Okay, so usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. We are no go out policy here. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am,
We
I'm
don't
okay.
force people to come here, as I have mentioned many times. If you disagree, better stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children and for yourself also at the same time.
Yes,
Okay? So in Philippines, you can do whatever you want. You can be the boss there, but here in Malaysia, you already knew it. We need to
yes,
humble ourselves. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer. And you need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day.
Salamat.